Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my video. Now we will looking at some toys here. Look, this is a plane, white plane. Wow, it's a very elastic swing. This is a bus, white bus. It's a very excellent bus, polished bus, protected and faster. Wow. Wait, broken wheel. Okay, thank you. Well, they're like, hey, look, 1, 2, 3, 3 car and excavator. Like this is an excavator. Wow, great excavator. This is a heavy equipment. This has a number 3368, and this is a green color, beautiful green. Wow, you can look. It's a very like real. Oh no. Okay, put here, and let's find again. And this is a medicine military truck, especially a green color. You can look. It's a very excellent and a very beautiful. Wow. And this one is Bigfoot. Wow. Has a big whale. Oh, green, beautiful green color. Wow. Let's try. Wow. It can run fast. Whoa. Okay, let's find again, guys. Wow. This is a clean water and a very clean. Wow. Look. What is that? Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. It's bus. Tayo bus. Okay. You can see in the television this Tayo bus. Wow. Beautiful color. Blue. Wow. Okay. Thank you. And this is a red color, a very clear color. Wow, it's a very beautiful and great. Wow. And this is green color. Wow. Smile bus. Look, this is smile bus. And this one is yellow bus. Wow. Hey, why do you smile, guys? Okay, guys, we find again. Wow, look. Wow, there's a many car. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 car. Let's keep them. Okay. Wow. It is a very nice yellow car. This is a rally car. Number 8. Express number 8. This red police car. You can look here. Wow. It's great. Hey! Put here. Wow. This is a rally car. Rally car. Yes. It's a green, yellow, green. Oh, not yellow, but this orange, and this is a blue, but it's a little. Wow. But like real and a very funny, cute car, cute race car. Okay, put here and let's find again, guys. Wow, guys, look, look, guys. Wow, what is that? Wow, this is a robot. Wow, very, very nice robot. Wow, how has gun in its hand. Wow, beautiful color, beautiful color. Yeah, blue and orange, beautiful combination color. Okay, put here and let's find again. Look, guys, what is that? Wow, very beautiful, very beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cars. Let's see. This is a Formula 1 car and a very beautiful combination color, like real. And this is, yes, this is a rally car, racing car. Yes. Wow, it's a very great red car. Wow, like Batman car, and it's a very fast when it's run.
Oh no!
And this is like a Lamborghini, white Lamborghini. You can look. Wow, it's a very beautiful white color. Wow, and this is a blue color. Very beautiful. Okay, put here. Okay, guys, we'll find again. Look. Wow.
Oh no!
What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Like a car. Wow. This is a classic car. Beautiful classic car. Wow. Wow. It's not same, the wheel. It's a big and this is a little. Wow. This is a classic car too. Blue color. A very, very beautiful blue color. And it is, oh, this is cheap. Wow, usually this to the mountain. Red car. Wow. And this one. Wow, very beautiful classic car. Very beautiful classic car. You can look. Wow, still function. This wheel is still function. Okay, we will put in this basket. Okay.